Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GTC. In today's video, we will take a look at this big breakout from this big falling wedge pattern. Right now, GTC is breaking out a very big resistance, and on the daily time frame chart, it has already broken out this resistance of the wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of GTC that I shared with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal setup that GTC formed almost 2 days ago. And let me to show you the move. This was the move. That was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bad move, and I told my members that from here we can expect slight more drop. You can see it was very close to complete this final leg, and we can expect slight more drop in order to complete this final leg as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bat, and then we can expect a very big move from here. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line was very close to complete this final leg of the bat. It dropped slightly more but could not complete this final leg. The potential reversal zone was starting from $1.68, and the price line dropped up to $1.70, very close to complete this final leg. And then we had a very big pump that is more than 95% pump, and during this pump the price line has also broken out another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. You can see it was entered the wedge here on 2nd of August, and after several days finally it has broken out this resistance of the wedge. By the way, this resistance was already broken out on 24th of October. Then we had this recent pump that has begun after the formation of this harmonic bullish reversal setup, and we were very close to complete this final leg as well. And by the way, the final target after this breakout was here at the top of the wedge. That was approximately at $3.30, and you can see we have already achieved this target. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here this is a really very big development on the chart on the weekly time frame, that we are breaking out very big and huge falling wedge pattern. Once we will have the weekly closing above this resistance of the wedge, then this breakout will be confirmed. However, you can see we also have a key resistance here at $3.50, and the price line is also struggling to break it out as well. And our final target after this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $27 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.